Hello, my name is Heidi Taphorn. I am from Manhattan, Kansas. I'm very excited that you're sitting down to watch this. And first of all, I just want to say we're not here to sell you anything. We truly just want to share some information. I've been a part of Pure now for 6 years, and it has been huge for our family. I no longer struggle with allergies, anemia, depression, have tons of energy. I've lost weight. Our biggest family health testimony was our 3-year-old son. 6 years ago, he struggled with asthma and allergies, and we're from Kansas. We're not going to move. But I can tell you that my son has been allergy and asthma free for 6 years now. And as a mom, that is huge. I became a mommy on a mission. I went out and I just started sharing this. I told people, you just have to take a look at this. This is about raw nutrition. Give your body what your body needs, and your body can heal itself. There is no magic pill. There is no magic juice. And what's been exciting for our journey over the last 6 years is we're now attracting the medical community. And when you look at labs, blood work does not lie. Rendi has actually been a nurse practitioner for the last 40 years. And when you look at the labs and when you look at this program, she said, I want more information. So I'm sitting here with Rendi, and we're just going to kind of give you a quick overview. So Rendi, I would love for you to share with them what you saw when you first looked at Pure and what has attracted you to this company.
I started with Pure about a year ago, and my neighbor, Michael Mayfield, introduced us to the products. I was looking for supplements to help us to have whole nutrition, and we were wanting to become as healthy as possible. My husband and I both had cancer, and we were wanting to lose weight as well, but that wasn't our main goal. And so this product line is for whole health. It is designed, as I researched it, it has excellent products. They've grown them where they need to be grown, and they bottled them the correct way. So, and it took care of about 13 supplements that I had gone to find. And so, and Heidi helped me find them in the products that we have, and then some.
So it's just been huge.
It's huge. And our life has totally changed. We're able to walk further, get down on the floor with our grandkids. We both have lost together over 100 pounds. So it has just been amazing. So, and I want to share it with people now. I didn't when I started. I just wanted to take it for us. And now seeing the results and the testimonies that people have, I want everyone to be able to have it as well.
And what's exciting for me is, like she said, she wanted to research it. I just saw the results. It's no different than walking into a house and you flip the light switch on, and I just want the light to turn on and I want it to work. And I knew it was working. And then when you start attracting the medical community and they want to research and they want to look at different things, they can back everything that we're saying by science.
Exactly.
And she has looked everything up. And so when people ask me about the questions, or if they ask me about product details, I'm like, go talk to Rendi. She has been absolutely instrumental in getting some of the things shared. So in the next few minutes, if you're sitting down and you're looking at this, what we have found is there's basically two segments of people. There's people that are looking at Pure from a health standpoint, because they're wanting to get their health back. And that's all Rendi was wanting to do. She's like, I am interested in the health. Heidi, I'm not interested in the business. Well, guess what? A lot of people say, I'm not interested in the business side of this, but I know you're struggling with allergies. I know you're looking for an alternative to your cholesterol medication. I know you're looking for this. Take a look at Pure, because we simply share information. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a brief overview of the company and our program. So I'm going to share my screen. And as always, we're just going to give you a basic disclaimer. This is just part of the legalities. We do not cure, diagnose, or treat. And we truly are just going to share, like I said, some information with you. So with that being said, like we said, the company is called Pure. It stands for People United Reaching Everyone. And what they've done is combine two of the fastest growing industries, health and wellness, and online shopping. Everybody is shopping online nowadays. People are looking at the products. They're looking at the labels. They're wanting to know what they're putting in their body. We're based out of Frisco, Texas. We're 9 years old, or 10 years old, completely debt-free. The company's been debt-free since the inception, and our ownership and leadership is bar none. You have Phil Knight, who we attracted about 3 years ago, and he was the co-founder of Nike. And Mr. Jung like I said, he's the owner, he's the founder, and he's been with the company since the inception, but to be debt-free, 9 countries, it's just huge. And when you look at the timing, very few people know about us, actually around 50,000 people in the United States. And so this is a ground floor opportunity. It wasn't a flash in the pan. So if you're sitting down with somebody, it's about being in the right place at the right time. Our products, that's truly what makes us different. And I'll kind of let Rendi just talk about, the products and the doctors, because that kind of attracted her. She was like, okay, these are practicing doctors. And then she said, are they board certified? And the answer to that is?
Yes, they are. And we also have products in the physician's desk reference, or the PDR as we all know it, which I've used for my entire career to look up medications, and to have a nutritional supplement listed in there is phenomenal, because that just doesn't happen. So that was very reassuring to me, because if you want your physician to be able to look at these things to see if it, even though it is just food, if you want to have them look and see what these products are, they are able to do that. So that's just a plus for us.
And when you look at the products, you guys, we have a weight loss line, a sports performance line, just raw nutrition line, a skincare line. And we're going to talk about more of those here in a second. But what made sense to me is this is not a magic pill or a magic juice, like we were saying, but the philosophy. Every single product is going to fit into the category of cleansing your body, balancing it, or building it. And when I say cleanse, we're referring to all 7 channels of elimination. This is going to help support the body's natural detoxification. We want to get you going to the bathroom, not running. You should be having 2 to 3 healthy bowel movements a day. This product is safe, it's effective. My kids take it. It's not socially debilitating. Like I said, we have to get the pollutants from the air, water, and food out of our body. And then we want to balance the body. We want to balance your hormones and pH. We want to help support the body's natural alkalinity. We put things in our body every single day, and they're either acidic or they're alkaline. Did you know that all sickness, cancer, and disease is in an acidic state? What do you do on a daily basis to help your body in its alkalinity? And this just made sense to me. So we want to cleanse the body. We want to balance the hormones. And then we want to build the body with good nutrition, because, Rendi, how many cups of spinach would you have to eat today to equal what one did just 30 years ago?
About 80. And you'd have to have about 13 oranges to equal one in the 50s. And so, we just are lacking, and our soil is depleted terribly. And we have genetically modified so much of what we take in that our body doesn't recognize it. And so getting back to whole nutrition is what we want to do. And that's what this is doing for us. And building the cleanse, balance, build philosophy is amazing. We have a vitamin that's called Daily Build, and it is methylated, which a lot of people cannot absorb B12 or the vitamin B's complexes. And because it's methylated, they are able to absorb it. And it's the only one that I know of that has been methylated. So they bothered to do it correctly so that everyone can absorb it. And that's terribly important. It's a very important group of vitamins for us.
And what, like I said, made sense to me was a philosophy. Every single product fits into one of those categories of cleanse, balance, and build. So people are like, okay, I'm kind of interested, or maybe I want some more information. Just like Rendi was like, okay, everything you're saying is making sense. What we launched a year ago was a program called the Detox, or a metabolic reset. What we did is we shared with people how to take the products for 7 days, along with eating healthy food, and incorporate intermittent fasting. And what happened is that we started with 26 people, and now we have over 15,000 people in a secret group. There's been 100% success on anybody that completed the 7-day detox. It's not a starvation program. It puts the body into a natural state of ketosis using raw nutrition. And when you look at some of these before and after results, and it's not about the number on the scale, people were losing weight, but yet they were coming off of medications, prescription medications. People were coming off of biological infusions. It's just amazing to see what the transformations have occurred in the last year, and it's exploding. Here's Kevin and Rendi's picture. When you look at that, almost 100 pounds now?
Uh-huh.
And that's a philosophy. It doesn't just come off overnight. If you feed your body, they say it's 80% nutrition and 20% exercise. So We're always saying we're working on the exercise component of this because you've exercised a lot, right?
No.
but we're working on that. So
We are.
we're all trying to work on that.
Yeah.
This is my 28-day result. Now, this program, you can do 7, 14, 21, 28 days. But like I tell everybody, anyone can do anything for 7 days. So we have this cleanse, balance, build philosophy. We have a 7-day detox program. We have a sports line that is unprecedented. It has the Informed Choice certification, which is the highest grade of certification you can receive. So many people have kids that are athletes, and you're trying to feed their body, feed their muscles with good nutrition. This line is approved for children as well. And we just partnered with Pure Nerium. We have the exclusive rights on the Nerium products. And when you look at this line, it's in pre-launch phase. This is 14-day results. You can see the difference just in some of the lightening and tightening of the skin just from a night cream. 14 days. When you look, and this is Rendi, and she said she was very skeptical. She said she's tried lots of different products. She's also a 2-time cancer survivor. And so she was very, very conscious of what she was putting on her skin, and look at the results. So not only do we have a, heal your body from the inside out, but we also have a skin line that's been amazing. So our model, if you're looking at this strictly from a product standpoint, we love product users. But our model is different because we're manufacturer to consumer. We love customers, and then we have business owners. Now, if you want to be a customer, that's great. You get 20% off any purchase, and we have a rewards program, and somebody can tell you about that. Just let us know which direction you'd like to go. The second way is that you can become an independent business owner, and for $25, you can receive everything 25% off. Because when I'm sitting here listening to this presentation, and I listened to it for the first time, I knew people that were struggling, and I knew I could share this, because that's all we do is share information. We're newscasters. We're not out there trying to sell anybody anything. We just want to pay the message forward. Like I said, I was a mommy on a mission. I only order what we're consuming. We have an entire compensation plan, but what I saw was a team concept. It only took two for me just to get a check, and then you build teams upon teams. It was a binary, and it paid 10% team commissions to infinity. And when you look at the ranks over here, we have every rank up to Ruby on our team right here in Kansas. We have people that have achieved the crown diamond level. We have multiple black diamonds. So this compensation plan, not only is it lucrative, but people are achieving these ranks. We have over 6 different ways that you get paid, and we don't go through all of them. We have a video that explains our entire compensation plan. But Rendi, you have received how many of these bonuses? 1, 2, 3, 4, and the lifestyle bonus. So she's received multiple levels in the year. And remember, she was just going to be a product user because this team commission concept, which is one of the 6 ways, 10% to infinity. And what got my attention and made no sense at the time was there was no product volume flush. What I had not been paid on carried over to the next week. So if you have questions about our compensation plan, let us know and we'll help you. Our system is Show, Share, Connect. We simply press play on a video. You're sitting, you're watching this video, that's all we do. We share a drink, and then we pick up the phone and we call people, and they will help us. You're never in this by yourself. If you have questions, you can pick up the phone and you can call. We have an entire website, purehope.us, that's dedicated as a training center where you can get more information. Where do you get started? We recommend everyone get started with a package. And this Core Plus package is the package that we truly encourage people to get started at. And when you look at the pricing on it, we're on a point system because we're in 9 different countries and the currency doesn't translate. You can be like I said, for $25, you can get everything at wholesale. You can be a preferred customer and get it 20% off, or you can go pay full retail. It's completely up to you. This price, this is like we call our Core Plus, and we have a video that explains these products. This gets people results. And whatever you come in at, it's a one-time purchase. You're never obligated to order anymore. It gets you started. We have our Detox Plus package. This is our 7-day program. There's 4 7 days in this. And like I said, there's more than one way to get started, but we just show these packages that have been very successful for people to get started. And then we have our business pack. And if somebody's looking at this because they want to maximize our compensation plan, this is a package that we recommend. There's free enrollment, there's free shipping, and you're completely bonus qualified. So when you look at these packs, get back with the person. They'll help you get started, and they'll help you decide which package is best for you. But remember, there's other ways to get started. So how do you get started? Contact the person that shared this with you. Like I said, we're just the newscasters. We're just truly here to share the information. Select your package, but we encourage you, get started. Join our private Facebook page. Go check us out on our website. Let us know what questions you have. People are looking. People are buying every single day. We're not trying to sell you anything. We're just trying to help. So Rendi, thank you for jumping on.
Sure.
Thank you for helping us. If you have questions, that's the beauty of this. If you have questions, we can pick up the phone. We can call Rendi. She's been an absolutely amazing asset when people are looking and they want to know how this is going to interfere with medications. They want to know, I want to talk to a doctor. I want to talk to a nurse practitioner. Guys, we have those resources at our hands. So thank you for watching this. Please get back with the person and let them know either way. I always say don't go into the witness protection program. Just sit down with them and just say yes, no, or give me more information. So thank you once again. Have a great day and God bless.